I'm here on a site and about to clean a couple bouncy castles. We're going into an event and they need an inspection. And I just want to show what we're doing. This is my helper helping me. He's just cleaning inside the castle right now. He has a garden hose, he has a couple of rags. He's making sure the castle is nice and clean. So here he goes. We're just soft washing the castle with a brush and just a really mild soap just to get it clean. We don't want any pressure or anything that's going to cause damage to it. Look how clean that gets. We're just draining the water out so the bouncy castle can dry. And there's not a big puddle left inside. As you can see, all the water draining from the inside. You're finished up. As you can see, there's a huge difference. So we clean everything. We have soft washing for projects that are a lot more delicate where press washers aren't able to be used. And as you can see, just using mild soap and a brush, there's a huge difference. Just look at that. All the grime's off. Quite a bit of the hard staining came off too, so it's presentable to the public and it can be inspected and the event can go on as planned.